Welcome to 23 Cresthill Avenue in Regents Park. This is a fantastic family home, sure to please the most avid buyer. Space for the caravan or boat. Beautiful front gardens with irrigation system. Insulated carport, plus double lock-up garage. Fantastic space. Crim-safe style front door. Tiled hallway. Three great sized bedrooms. Reverse cycle air conditioning and double built-in, plus ceiling fan. Main bedroom, again reverse cycle air conditioning, mirrored double built-in. Plus glass sliding doors through to its own private courtyard with door access from the outside. So this is a great little spot to sit and unwind from the day. Through to ensuite and two double built-ins. So his and her built-ins too. Double vanity unit, overhead mirrored cupboards. This has been fully renovated, so beautiful freestanding shower, bath and toilet. So really spacious and usable. Bedroom 3 currently used as a sewing and craft room. Again, reverse cycle air conditioning. And again, double built-in. Double linen cupboard, broom cupboard. Family bathroom, again renovated beautifully. And large shower. Through to formal lounge area. A lovely little display nook. Flowing through to informal dining. And study come possible fourth bedroom. Great size kitchen. So wall oven, dishwasher, plenty of cupboard space. And good lighting too, extra lighting. Through to the laundry. With door access to outside. This has artificial grass, which is absolutely perfect for low maintenance. And again through now to formal lounge area with the raked ceiling feature and 3 glass sliding doors out to the side yard and out through here to the main outdoor area. Fantastic space. And then this amazing living space outdoors here. They do have roller blinds too. So drive-through garage. This is actually storage and a pond feature, ready for the new family. And side access. Colour-bond fence surrounds the whole yard. It's a stunning mango tree. And here is the low maintenance gardens. Outdoor shower. Garden shed. This grass is amazing. Let me just show you the rear yard here. And so very peaceful. And through here, its own little surrounds. Is an above ground pool. A little seating nook. So private. Stairs up to the pool. Irrigation system, as you can see here. Keep the grass luscious. I promise you, you won't be disappointed with this fantastic home. My name's Claire Franklin. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.